5 mysterious unsolved places on Earth. Ancient city of Petra, Jordan. The lost city still has secrets to reveal. Thousands of years ago, the now abandoned city of Petra was thriving. The prehistoric Jordanian city of Petra was lost to the Western world for hundreds of years. Petra was once a thriving trading center. The decay of the city continued, owing to earthquakes and the rise in importance of sea trade routes, and Petra reached its lowest near the close around AD 700. The city sat empty and in near ruin for centuries. Only in the early 1800s did a European traveler disguise himself in local costume and infiltrated the mysterious locale. In 1985, the Petra Archaeological Park was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in 2007 it was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Several scenes from the Hollywood blockbuster Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade were filmed in Petra. Easter Island, Chile. Hundreds of years ago, a little bunch of Polynesians traveled across vast stretches of open sea, navigating by the evening stars and the day's ocean swells. When and why these people left their native land remains a mystery. But what is clear is that they made a small, uninhabited island with rolling hills and a lush carpet of palm trees their new home. They eventually named their 63 square miles of paradise Rapa Nui, now popularly known as Easter Island. They moved the mammoth blocks of stone, on an average 13 feet tall and 14 tons, to different ceremonial structures around the island, a feat that required several days and many men. Nazca Lines, Peru. The Nazca Lines in Peru have baffled mankind for quite a long time, and now the mystery is even more intriguing. A team of researchers say the Nazca Lines represent one of the most attractive ancient mysteries in the world. It's the geometric shapes that are the focus of their new research, ranging from triangles to trapezoids and spirals, even the figure of a human which has been dubbed the astronaut. There are around 70 depictions of plants and animals which can be seen. But researchers have discovered that some of Peru's massive creations were identified incorrectly, and that the figures are actually of birds who lived far away from the site of drawings. The lines cover an area of nearly 1,000 square kilometers. There are about 300 different figures, including animals and plants. It is composed of over 10,000 lines, some of which measure 30 meters wide and stretch more than 9 kilometers. Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Particles from space point to unknown chamber in the 4,500-year-old Egyptian monument, which is the largest pyramid in Egypt. Researchers during their discovery, which involved high technology, uncovered a previously unknown or void space. That unknown chamber is the first major structure discovered inside the roughly 4,500-year-old Great Pyramid since the 19th century. The Great Pyramid is the only one of the ancient 7 wonders of the world that still stands. The scientists placed subatomic detectors near the base of the structure and in areas deep within it. It generates electric signals as the subatomic particles pass through it. Area 51, Nevada. There may not be aliens or a moon landing movie set inside those fences, but something is going on and only a select few are privy to what's happening there. The mystery about this place has been on for several decades now. People have reported seeing unidentified flying objects, UFOs, at the Southern Nevada military base, back in the 1950s. If CIA reports are to be believed, then secretive flight testing has been happening in the area since